Welcome to Globe Health General Clinic at Satwa, Dubai. Our clinic can be reached via two different routes. The first route can be taken from the Al Satwa roundabout at Al Daifahu Street, behind the Al Satwa bus station. Our clinic board will be visible. By walking towards the walk street, you would be able to find the gateway to our clinic. Our clinic can be reached from two different streets from the roundabout at Almina Road. First, from 2C Street. If you are coming from 21st Street at the roundabout, you can take 2C Street, which would lead you to our clinic. Second, from the roundabout, take Almina Road. By staying on the right-hand side from Almina Road, you can easily reach our destination within a few minutes. When you visit our Satwa Dubai location, you can expect to receive world-class care, expert physician specialists, and caring clinical staff that will provide you with exceptional patient care. For an appointment, call us at 971-434-64180 or visit our website at www.globehealthclinic.com.